Hi everyone, welcome to FinTech Talk, where we highlight the key financial and tech advancements each week, so you can skip reading the endless news articles. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest trends. Let's get started.
At MetaConnect 2024, CEO Mark Zukerberg shared some exciting updates for the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, emphasizing their potential as the next major consumer device. Meta is introducing a range of new AI features alongside familiar smartphone functions to enhance user experience. One standout capability is real-time AI video processing, which will allow users to capture and share experiences seamlessly. The glasses will also include live language translation, enabling English speakers to easily converse with people speaking French, Italian, or Spanish. This could really make traveling or socializing more accessible. Additionally, you'll be able to ask the glasses to remember where you parked, or suggest dinner recipes based on items you see while shopping. This level of interactivity aims to make everyday tasks easier and more intuitive. The glasses will integrate with popular streaming services like Amazon Music, Audible, and iHeartRadio, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes directly through the built-in speakers. Plus, you can scan QR codes effortlessly. Just ask the glasses to scan, and the link will open on your phone instantly. Lastly, new transitions lenses will be available, adjusting to different light conditions for enhanced comfort. Overall, these updates highlight Meta's commitment to making smart glasses a practical and exciting addition to daily life.